I'm in my brother's room right now. I never had vacuumed this room, and I'm sorry if you can't barely see me, but I had tried to put you at a high place, but not too high place, for be able to view what I'm doing. Okay. Starting out. Patty, if you don't want to get sucked up by the vacuum, I bet you better go. Don't make it so adorable. If you're a piece of chocolate bar, I'll eat you in one bite. You look so sweet looking. Those leaves by this table here, I think. You see? I gotta pick this up here because I don't want to suck up the cold with it. There. What about this? I don't know. But I put you right there for right now. Does that sound okay? Let me get behind this door too. Turn this around like so. On this, I could, but where would I move it to? That's the question. Well, I guess I'm done. I'll have to tell Mom my problem here. It only took a few minutes, huh? Toodaloo now.